What's going on, y'all? So I'm so excited. Today we are finally working on swapping the engine in my new WRX. So today we're gonna just focus on getting everything ready. And this is the engine that we're going to be putting into it today. Or not today, but eventually. This is actually out of a 2009 WRX. But it has fewer miles and it seems to be in pretty good shape. It's got absolutely everything on it. Turbo, intercooler, everything has come with it. Even the ECU here. So I've been slowly working on this car over the last couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna quickly show y'all some of the progress that I've made with it. Damn it. Alright, so now that y'all are caught up, it's time to get cracking on some of the extra stuff that we've got to do in order to get this guy out. So I just got the final stud out between the downpipe and the turbo here. So I'm gonna put that away where it goes, turbo to downpipe. I've got them all labeled in plastic bags so I know what every hardware is. So I think it's time to go under the car because we got all of the bolts on the top from the engine to the transmission and all of the bolts from the downpipe to the turbo. Those are all out. So I'm gonna take the downpipe off from under there or try to get it detached from the engine. And I'm gonna get all of the rest of the engine transmission bolts out as well. So I am under my car trying to get all of these transmission engine bolts out. And I got to get this bolt on the bottom of this starter here, which is looking a little worse for the wear. So as I'm working on this car, I keep noticing some strange things. For example, I look behind me I'm missing a bolt in that flange. That's annoying. But hopefully soon enough, this entire exhaust system is gonna be out of the car anyway, and we'll just throw a straight pipe on it or something stupid. Haven't really been filming much because it took everything I had to get this darn starter out, which is odd because I've taken Subaru starters out and it was never this hard before. All right, so I got all of those bolts from the transmission to the engine and all of the bolts from the turbo here to the downpipe. So it should be ready to be pulled. There's probably a couple other stuff like little hoses and wiring and stuff that I might have missed. I've got the big wire clip out here, but this is where I'm gonna end today's video. We got a lot of progress done. It is pretty much ready to be pulled. So in the next video, we're gonna be pulling that engine out and we're gonna be putting this engine into it. Hopefully we won't have to split that video into 2 parts. I know there's gonna be a lot of little things to do. I believe Ben's gonna be joining us for the next video, hopefully. So I'm excited for that. We're gonna get this engine swapped in and give it a drive. So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this, and stay tuned for the next video where we swap in that engine. As always guys, take care and stay positive.